Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to grow your Telegram channel for free and in my opinion on the 6 best ways how you can do this. Alright, let's start with it, and if I go in my own group, I write down 6 stances how you can grow it. The first one is share it on social media, and we can do that by tapping right in the top and then tap on share link, and from here if I tap on the share icon, you can share it on X if you want that. So like this, I can post join this group, tap on post, and then we post it on X. We can also send it in WhatsApp groups, Instagram groups. We can throw it on Facebook, whatever we want. How more we share, how more subscribers we will get. Alright, that's the first option. The second is share it in other groups. So search on Telegram for other groups and send your link. Your link is just right here. Hold it and tap on copy and send it in other groups. The third way is share it with your contacts. So if I go back and then here, I don't give Telegram access to my contacts, but if you have your contacts just right here, you can send the group link to your contacts. And that is a very nice way how you can increase the followers, because you know the people, so they are also helping you for that. Then we go back, and then we are arriving on the fourth way, and that is that you need to publish quality content. Why will someone join your group? Now, that is very simple, because I made the best videos that is possible, and I like to entertain someone. Now, that is a nice reason why someone will join, so keep that in mind. The other thing is add comment section and add reaction section, and for that we go to our group chat and then tap on channel settings, and from here make sure that your reactions are enabled so everyone can react. Your channel type is of course always on public, and you can add some discussions to create an interaction in your group. But these 6 things are, in my opinion, the best ways how you can grow your Telegram group. If you have questions, please drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.